Good day. Today I am going to teach you on how to download Kinemaster app without a watermark. Don't worry, it is free. And also you can, in that way you can also edit video offline without the need of internet connection. So let's go. So in order to download a Kinemaster application, we need to open Google, and then in there we're going to search Kinemaster. Just type Kinemaster unlock. And then let's go on digitbin.com. That's a website. Rest assured that this website is secured and safe. And also there are some instructions about Kinemaster features and how to use it. And it is explained that it is safe, which is true. And also on how you can download the Kinemaster. Here are 4 easy steps. Or also there are some explanations. So let's go here, click this go download page, and you would be routed here. It says Kinemaster, the latest version and the older version. So you may download that. You may download this latest version or that older version. That depends on your phone, which version is compatible in your phone. Because and since the app is already in my phone, so I can download this, but I cannot download again. So you can just click that one, and then you would be routed to another page, and there would be a simple and easy instructions on how you can download. All you need to do is to follow that, and that way you can have a Kinemaster app, which you can use to edit video offline. And also that Kinemaster app is safe, secured, and also it has a great feature. Or you can select Kinemaster Mode APK Chroma Key unlocked to 2020, as that's the latest version as of right now. So here it has 52 MB, 87. So here are old version, and also for PC you can select that. You can download here, so you can select that here. I can no longer download the app because it is already in my phone. So if you have problem here in this page, so be back in this page. If you have problem in Kinemaster in this latest or older version, you can click this Kinemaster Mode APK Chroma Key Unlock 2020, this one. So that way you can download whichever is compatible in your phone. You can select in this color red font, or and also that on PC you can download that. Hope you can now you can go and you can have a Kinemaster app without watermark, and also I hope that I am able to help you. Rest assured that uh, that link is safe, because since I've been using that app for more than a year and there's no virus in my phone, so it's 100% guaranteed that it is safe. And also you can edit video offline even though you don't have internet connection. You can, and also all features is working without any internet connection. So once you have internet connection, I highly recommend you to download music asset in store that's inside the Kinemaster app. In that way, once you're offline or you don't have any internet connection, you can still use and have some free music. You can use those music from music assets in Kinemaster for free, and also you can't have any copyright in YouTube. So that's 100% safe. And I hope you guys would like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment down below. And if you want me to create a content, please let me know in the comment below. And have a great day. Stay safe.